So this is the old steering lock assembly out of my 2000 Honda Civic EX. You're going to need a pick like this, a T30, security with the hole, and socket. And the first thing you want to do after you get out of the car is remove this screw. And then another thing to notice is on the lock assembly, it has a slot right here, and it has the ears, so you want to pay attention when you put it back in that the ears line up and that the interlock bar slides along this slit. Usually there's a spring in there, but I don't have that right now. So when you put it in, you want to have this kind of pushed down a little bit, and you'll have to line up the slit, the dog ears at the bottom, and the key will be in, and you'll have to maneuver it from 0 to 1 and make sure that it's not down. It's got to be pulled up. So let's try to do this now with the old one. And you'll have to maneuver it quite a bit, and it is an absolute pain in the ass. Pulls back here. There we go. See, it took a minute. So see how it slid in that groove. And then from there, you should be able to pull it out some more, hopefully. And like I said, make sure it's pulled out, and then snaps it. So that's a more in-depth look at it. Make sure when you're done, you put the security screw back. And just tighten it just a little bit. Don't overbear it. And that's it.
you.